Today is National Lipid Day, in which we focus on the amount of lipids in our blood and if they're abnormally high. And one of the lipids that we look at is this macromolecule right here, which is cholesterol. Let's focus a little bit more on cholesterol's structure. One of the things that you should notice about this molecule is that it is really full of hydrogen and carbon, which makes it really hydrophobic. It's actually classified as an unsaturated alcohol because of this hydroxyl group, and it's in the steroid family. It contains 4 rings. The first 3 rings are penanthine rings. You see one here where that alcohol or the hydroxyl group is attached to it. The second ring has a double bonded carbon. I'm going to rotate it so you can see the third ring, which has a methyl group. And then this 4th ring is a cyclopentane ring. And then there is an 8-carbon side chain that is attached to it that also has some methyl groups. Because this is so hydrophobic, it's found deep within your membranes. It makes up about 30% of the composition of animal membranes, including yours. It's a precursor to the biosynthesis of many steroid hormones, bile salts, and vitamin D. It's important in substrate presentation for enzymes, and it's also really important in cell signaling for neurons. We hope that you'll inform yourself about the amount of lipids that are in your blood by visiting your doctor and getting some blood work done. Until next time, I'm Ruth Hutson. Happy modeling.